Printer introduction. Appearance introduction. Power button. Paper input tray. Logo. Paper exit slot. Lid open button. Type C. Introduction to the status of the indicator light. Green light constantly on, ready to print. Green light breathing, charging. Green light flashing slowly, once per second, out of paper, overheating. Green light flashing quickly, twice per second, low battery, please charge promptly. Printer device connection. Open the downloaded package and select the A for printer on the tools page. Click disconnected and press and hold the power button of the machine for 3 seconds to turn it on. Bluetooth connection. Find the machine model in the list of available devices and click to connect. Once the connection is successful, you can start printing. QR code connection. Double-click the power button, and the machine will automatically print a sheet of paper with the machine's QR code. Select the QR code connection option in the device connection interface. Align the camera with the QR code. When the Connected Successful pop-up appears on the screen, you can start printing. Tattoo printing. Click on Tattoo Print. Find template on the tool page and click it. Select the template to be printed. Adjust the printing position, size and printing speed and concentration. Print the number of copies and page layout, and click Print. Template printing. Click on Tattoo Print. Find template on the tool page and click it. Select the template to be printed. Adjust the printing position, size and printing speed and concentration. Print the number of copies and page layout, and click Print. Picture printing and multi-image printing. Image printing. Click on Tattoo Print to add the image you wish to print. Click Print to get a beautiful tattoo. Multiple image printing. If you want to print multiple patterns at the same time, you can continue to click on the image. Resize and position. Click Print to get a tattoo containing multiple patterns. Image enhancement. Click on Tattoo Print to add the image you wish to print. Use 2 fingers to zoom in or out to adjust the size of the pattern. Click Beautify to add filters and adjust the visual effects. Click Adjust to adjust contrast, brightness, etc. Click Crop to cut out unwanted parts. Click Eraser to erase unwanted parts in the image. Click Print to get a beautiful tattoo. Photo text. Click on Tattoo Print to add the image you wish to print. Click on Text to input the desired text. Adjust the font size, style, and spacing in the formatting section. Click on an image or text to move it around and adjust the print position. Speed and concentration of the print. Click Print. Precise adjustment. Click on Tattoo Print to add the image you want to print. Click on Precise Adjustment to manually input the values for length, height, and position. After clicking Lock Aspect Ratio, changing one of the widths or height values will automatically adjust the other values accordingly. 3D Preview. When you want a tattoo, but haven't decided which part of the body to tattoo, open Parapage. Select Tattoo Printing after connecting to the machine. After enhancing the image, click on 3D Preview. Resize or enlarge the image according to the desired tattoo size. Place it on the body part image and click Confirm. The screen will display a reference image of the tattoo pattern on the body part. Slide the model to view tattoos, references from multiple angles.